Hi, I'm Nicole, and today I'm going to show you how TechRMI can streamline your daily workshop process and help you save time and money. TechRMI is a single source for maintenance, repair, and diagnostic information for cars, trucks, and light commercial vehicles. We cover most brands and models with exclusively OE source data. This ensures you can offer high-quality service without compromising OE warranty cover. What makes our application unique is the way it supports your workflow from vehicle identification and acceptance all the way to service book registration. Our solution is aimed at workshop efficiency, which starts with our suggested maintenance module. Simply enter the vehicle's mileage and first registration date, and you will be presented with the previous or next possible service. You can then select additional maintenance tasks and create a comprehensive service plan. TechRMI also features OE labor times, which are unique because they are 100% manufacturer compliant. This includes precise labor times, overlap calculation, suggested works, and OE work position numbers. All data provided through TechRMI meets the strict standards set by the original equipment manufacturers. In addition, you can find a wide variety of repair manuals, such as timing belt removal and installation, ADAS calibration, or even interior panels, such as this door panel, for example. With detailed step-by-step instructions and illustrations, TechRMI ensures that every task is performed accurately and efficiently. With TechRMI Service Book, you can easily enter, retrieve, and manage digital service records, providing transparency and consistency in service documentation. This not only boosts customer confidence, but also enhances your workshop's reputation. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or complex repairs, TechRMI supports you every step of the way with comprehensive, up-to-date information. Streamline your processes, ensure top-quality service, and maintain customer trust with TechRMI. Discover how our advanced tools and resources can make your workshop more efficient and profitable. Get started with TechRMI today and experience the future of automotive repair and maintenance. Visit techalliance.net or contact your local parts distributor for more information.